Hello, my name is Arnaud Soulier and I teach ICS Cybersecurity. In this video, I will try to convince you to register for my upcoming training class at BlackHat in August in Las Vegas. This training is based on my experience as a cybersecurity consultant that has worked in ICS for quite a long time, and basically what I did was try to create a training that I would have liked to have followed when I started working in ICS, okay? So I really wanted to create something that helps you understand the ICS, attack the ICS, but also give you some keys on how to secure ICS. The agenda for the training is to start the first day with the introduction to ICS, learn the components, how it works, program your own PLC to really understand how it works, discuss the ICS protocols and the security of the PLCs. On the second day, on top of that, we will add the supervision layer. So we will add a SCADA, learn how to hack the process, do an introduction on safety, and of course discuss one big important topic in ICS, and it's Windows and Active Directory security. On the third day, we'll perform a full day of technical activities. We'll do a full day of capture the flag. That's really like a really fun part. Each one of you will get its own virtual environment with the CTF, and at the end, you will also be able to connect to the real physical setup with the small train and the robotic arms. I will bring that to Vegas so you can play with that. On the last day, we will debrief the attacks from the CTF and learn about ICS general security approach. We'll discuss network segmentation, how to do assessment. We will talk about how to secure the code from the PLC with some hands-on exercises. And if we have time, we will also do a case study on how to secure an ICS. For this training, I decided to go full virtual. That means all attendees will get their own environment in the cloud that they can access just using a web browser. Okay, so no need to install some VMs, no need for specific configuration. You go to the website, as I'm doing here, and you will be able to access directly your VMs and interact with the VMs. So of course, a Kali Linux machine, for example. Okay, so that's a standard Kali Linux machine with additional software for ICS, but also a Windows 10 VM on which there is a specific software that I installed. So let me show you a quick demonstration. Okay, so this is something I developed. It's a process simulation. We will learn how to program a PLC, how to connect to a SCADA, and to see if this is really working, I developed a simulation of the process. That's the WhiskX simulation platform. And so we will try to make some whiskey. So that will be a fun one. So that is the simulated process. We will use a legitimate PLC simulator from Schneider. It's called SoMachine Basic to program that. And then we will also connect it to IGSS, which is a legitimate SCADA software from Schneider as well. And so the simulation plus the PLC plus the SCADA will allow you to have your own ICS training kit in a fully virtual environment. And of course, I will also provide the VMs so you can use that after the training. The training will run from August 5th to August 8th. So that means 4 days of technical ICS training. You can register as of now. It's available. There is an early bird price, so you should try to benefit from that. Here you have the full description of the training with all the modules. And if you have any question, you can find me on LinkedIn. You can find me on Twitter. I will be happy to answer any question.